When people think about luxury homes, they usually imagine larger spaces, premium interiors, or clubhouse amenities. But today, the definition of luxury living is quietly changing. Luxury is no longer defined only by design. It is also defined by the air quality inside the home, the water quality inside the community, and how the entire residential environment is planned. Because future residential comfort does not depend only on how a home looks. It also depends on how healthy and comfortable it feels to live in every day. Why indoor air quality matters more today than before. In the last few years, homebuyers have started paying more attention to something that was rarely discussed earlier while choosing a property: the air they breathe inside their homes. Earlier, buyers evaluated location, layout, price, amenities. But today, buyers are also asking, how clean is the indoor environment? How effective is the ventilation inside the home? How does the community reduce pollution exposure? Because today, a home is no longer just a place to live. It has become the space where people work, relax, and spend most of their time. How modern residential planning is responding to this shift. As buyer expectations evolve, residential planning is also changing. Developers are now focusing on fresh air circulation inside homes, open green spaces within communities, low-density layouts, landscape planning that supports environmental comfort. These elements directly influence everyday living quality, and they are becoming an important part of future residential community design. Why ventilation is becoming a key feature in homes. Ventilation was once a feature that buyers rarely discussed, but today it plays a major role in indoor comfort. Homes with better airflow feel healthier, stay naturally cooler, reduce dependency on artificial air circulation, improve the overall indoor experience. That is why ventilation planning has become an important part of modern residential design. The role of green planning inside residential communities. Another important factor influencing air quality is planned green environments inside residential communities. Today, landscape planning is not just a decorative element. It supports better air circulation, reduced dust exposure, improved outdoor comfort, calmer living surroundings. These features help communities feel more balanced and comfortable throughout the year. Why water quality matters more than buyers expect. Along with air quality, water quality is also an important part of everyday living experience. However, many buyers do not actively evaluate this factor while selecting a property. Water quality affects bathing experience, skin and hair, appliance durability, plumbing, maintenance, overall household convenience. Homes where structured water treatment systems are planned offer a noticeably better long-term living experience. That is why modern residential communities are beginning to integrate centralized water planning. The difference between individual solutions and community-level planning. In traditional housing developments, residents often manage water-related improvements individually after moving in. But in future-ready communities, water infrastructure is planned at the project level itself. This helps ensure consistent water quality across the community, reduced maintenance challenges, improved appliance lifespan, more comfortable everyday usage. Community-level planning creates a stronger and more reliable living environment. Why infrastructure inside a community matters as much as location outside it. Earlier, residential decisions mostly focused on the surrounding location. But today, buyers are giving equal attention to infrastructure planning inside the community. This includes water systems, green planning, open movement spaces, community layouts, shared lifestyle environments, because these elements directly influence how convenient daily life feels after moving in. How community planning shapes everyday lifestyle experience. Good community planning creates a balanced residential environment. It helps ensure better movement within the project, comfortable shared spaces, accessible recreational areas, smoother interaction between different lifestyle zones. These features may not always be headline amenities, but they strongly shape the everyday living experience. Why buyers are now looking beyond interiors. While choosing homes, modern home buyers are no longer making decisions based only on apartment interiors. Instead, they are evaluating environmental planning, community infrastructure, water systems, open spaces, long-term usability of the project layout. This shift is shaping residential developments differently across emerging corridors. How environmental planning is changing the meaning of luxury. Traditionally, luxury meant better finishes and larger apartments. But today, luxury includes cleaner indoor air, thoughtful ventilation planning, structured water systems, balanced community layouts, healthier surroundings. This shift is redefining how future residential developments are being planned across India. Subscribe to the One Global Developers channel to stay connected with insights on modern residential planning and evolving lifestyle expectations across emerging growth corridors in India. See you in the next video.